Good morning and Jain students. Today we are going to study write in words. Okay, and then up to where we have to study from 10,000 to 99,999. Up to 1,000 you have done already, right? So now what has been changed? I am telling you. Now see, you have already studied ones, tens, hundred, right? 1,000 up to 1,000 you have studied in half yearly, but in annual there will be 10,000 also. It is also going to come. So from 10,000 to 99,999 we have to study. So where we have to study from 10,000 to how much? 99,900. इतना write in words and write in figures आपके course में है, right? So now for example, if I take a number like 2, 6, 3, 5 and here I have taken 4. Okay. So now how to write this number in words? So 2 is at 10,000 place, 6 is at 1,000 place, 3 is at 100 place and 5 is at 10s place and 4 is at 1s place. So how to read it? First you have to learn how to read it. कैसे पढ़ेंगे तभी तो आप लिख पाओगे. So now you all know that 1s, 10s, 100 comes in same family and 1,000, 10,000 comes in same family, right? So where we put comma? When 1s, 10s, 100 comes in one's family, so we used to put comma over here in between 100 and 1,000, right? So now how to read this? 26,000. What we will read? 26,000. 2, 6. We will not read like this. 26,000 it is now. So how to write in words? We will write like this. 20. What we need to write? 20. 2 is at 10,000 place, so it will be 20. And 6 is 1,000 place, so 26,000. It is 26,000. Right? 26,000. And 3 is at 100 place, so 3. Remember that only the first letter will be capital, other will be small. Okay. 26,000, 3 is at 100 place, so we will write 100. Then we have 54. What we have to write next? 54. So now I hope that this is clear to you, that how to write in words. First you have to remember that where you need to put the comma, then only you can write it properly. So there will be comma after every that family, or we call after every periods. So 1s, 10s, 100 comes in one family or one's period, 1,000, 10,000 comes in 1,000 period. So there will be comma, right? So that is why we are writing like this, 26,354 and last full stop. Clear? And the first letter will be capital, other will be small. This you need to take care. So now we will proceed with the exercise. All of you take out your notebooks, write down classwork and today's date, and we will start doing the questions. Alright, so let's start. So now let's take one more example. Okay, now I am going to explain you one more example. Okay, so be ready. Now you can see on the board, it's written 4 at 10,000 place, 5 at 1,000 place, 6 at 100 place, 7 at 10's place and 8 at 1's place. And how to write it? You need to understand so that we can write down in the questions. Now see here. First of all, just see 4 is at which place? 10,000. So how to write this? Whenever you are writing in words, you remember that first of all write down the numbers. Okay, like 4, what is this? 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the number. Now we need to write this in words, but before writing in words, what we have to do? This is what? Ones, this is what? Tens, this is 100, this is 1000 and this one is 10,000. Now we need to write in words. So first of all, what we have to do? We need to put the comma, right? Where will be the comma? Here, after 1000, before 100. Now let's write. क्या लिखेंगे? 45, right? FORTY. This is the spelling of 40. Don't forget. 45. See now, the first letter is capital, other will be small. 45,000. 45,000. Then we have 6 at 100 place. So 600. 678. We have 78, right? So this is the method to do write in words. If you will write this short forms, ones, tens, 100, then it will be easier for you and you will not make mistakes. Alright, so let's proceed with the classwork. Now I am going to show you the classwork. It is your classwork. Alright, so let's start. All of you be ready. Write down date over here. Here will be the date. Then heading write in words, and this is classwork and it is your notebook work. I have written this, you don't have to write. No need to write this. This is just for understanding कि ये आपको copy में करना है. Right. So let's write down the first question. The first question is 10,000. 10,000. So where will be the comma? After the 0. After 10. So now we need to write this in words. कैसे लिखेंगे? 10,000 है. So simply we need to write TEN 10, then 1000. Alright, and then full stop. Now moving to the next question. Next question is 13,000. Put comma every time, don't forget that. 13,050, right? So T will be the capital and then THIRTEEN 13,000. 13,000 के बाद 100 प्लेस पे क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं है. So we will leave that. Then we will move to tens place. That is 5. 5 है तो क्या होगा? 50. Because ones place पे भी कुछ नहीं है तो 13,050. We need to write like this. This is your classwork. Understand and write down. Next we have 22,000. 22,527. 527. And after that fourth is 17,000 and 2. Alright, let's do it. 22,527. So as we are calling it like 22 जब हम बोल रहे हैं तो we will write the same thing. So let's start. TWENTY 22. 22,000, right? 500. 5 is at which place? 100 place. 527. TWENTY 27. Got it? Now next we have 17,002. So S will be capital. 17,000. Now at 100 and tens place there is no digits. So we will leave that and directly we will write 2. 17,002. So after completing this we will switch to the next page. I hope it is clear to you all. कैसे करना है समझ में आया? And remember that this heading should be like this. जैसे मैंने कॉलम बनाए हैं 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, you have to make in your copy. Here will be one line जैसे मैंने ड्रॉ किया है. With the help of pencil, color and scale you have to draw that and then you will write. Okay. Now let's do the next question. That is 35,000. Write down 35,027. ठीक है. And then we have 90,251. You can do in 2 pages. If you need, you can do in 1 page, whatever is required, but do the work neatly. And we will do one more here, 66,415. Now one more I am taking 30,205. Okay, let's do it. Now first is 35. See 1000 and 10,000 पे क्या है 35. So we will start with 30. T will be capital. THIRTY. 35. Then 35 what? 1000. 35,000. And then we have 2 at tens place. 100 place पे कुछ नहीं है. So we will leave that. Then we need to write 20. 27. Alright. Understood? Now moving to the next. 9090, 20551. So this is 90,251. So we will write in the same form 90 NINETY 90 है तो पूरा 9 लिखेंगे then TY. NINTY is wrong. That will be ninety. It's 90. 90 what? 1000. 90,000. Then 200. 2 is at 100 place. So 200. Then 51. 51. So you need to write the spellings correctly and first letter will be capital and other will be small. Don't forget that. Alright. Next. 66,415. So what we have to write first? SIXTY 60. Then 66,000. Alright. 66,000. 4 FOUR 400. 4 is at 100 place. So 400 and then 15. We have 15. Written. Next, last 30,000. So we need to write 30. THIRTY 30,000. Then we have 200. 2 is at which place? 100. 200. Then we have 5. We don't have at 10 space anything. So 30,205. So full stop. So this is your class work. आपके class work में मैंने total 8 questions कराए हैं. I will be sending you 6 questions in the notebook. I will be sending you PDF where you have to go in e-learning. कहाँ पे देखना है PDF? E-learning में आपको जाना है in mathematics, right? Maths में जाना है. There will be one heading. वहाँ पे होगा tables, write in words, write in figures. So जिसमें tables का आपको PDF मिला था वहीं पे आपको same मिल जाएगा. But if in case you face problem, not to worry about. I will be sending you as a homework. मैं homework column में भी आपको send करूँगी. आप वहाँ से लिख सकते हो. Don't worry about that. All right. So this is your classwork. Now it's time to note down the homework questions. So I'm writing homework questions here. You also note it down fast. I'm writing the numbers. You can do in 1 page. You can do in 2 page. It's totally your wish. अगर आपको उसको अच्छे से लिखना है, बहुत ही नीट एंड क्लीन, यूज 2 pages. So now I'm writing the first question of homework, that is 80,235. This is your homework question. Write down date here and then write homework. Then we have 72,528. Next we have 99,293. All right. Next we have 92,315. All right. Next 90,238. Next 72,352. Next 22,521. This is your homework. In the same way you have to write. After writing one question, leave one line. So you need 2 pages. Do homework in 2 pages. जैसे क्लास वर्क 2 पेज में किया है, वैसे ही होमवर्क भी आप 2 पेज में करोगे, so that it looks nice. I'm adding one more question, number 8 over here. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 3, 9. Do 4 question in one page and 4 question in next page. Okay. This is question 8. In 2 pages, up to 4 do in one page and then rest do in the next page. And after doing one question, leave one line and then write down the next one. So your notebook will look nice. All right. I hope that it is clear to you whatever I have taught you today. And in the next class, okay, in the next class, that means it is on Monday, I will be teaching you write in figures from 10,000 to 99,999. So complete your classwork, go to e-learning, find your document and complete your work. All right. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day, students.